What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Los Built. As you guys can see of the title of the video, we are going to be making some pretty good power on my 22 Supra B58. So today we are going to be installing a catless downpipe, which it's pretty easy to install on these, and I'm coming from a Subi, so yeah, we no longer have to worry about the turbo bolts or anything like that, turbo stud stripping, none of that. It's just a straight clamp, and it is literally like a 20-minute install. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. And this weekend we are gonna be going to a little cruise with Chris Borgs, and I'm gonna be getting my car tuned by his tuner. So we should be getting some good content for you guys. And then I'm also still gonna get tuned by STI Mikey, but I'm gonna just go by him for now because he, you know, he tuned my cousin's car, he tuned Chris Borg's car, and it seems like he's getting pretty good numbers. So I'm just gonna go with him for now until I'm ready to go big power and go with STI Mikey, which I'm gonna do pretty soon. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this done today. Should be pretty easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this content. Stock downpipe, intake, and then just full titanium tome, and that's about it for mods, honestly. So it sounds pretty good right now. I'll start it up and then you guys can hear it. I'm gonna put the mic right here. Hopefully it sounds good. Remove all the O2 sensors, stuff like that, but I'm gonna try to do it from under once I get the, I was about to call it a J pipe. Once I get the downpipe off, I will go ahead and take them off. So I'll just unplug them just like that. So we got both sensors off. Alright, so that first part is done. Now we'll go ahead and go underneath the car and then start taking off all these nuts and bolts. Thing we're gonna do, loosen up this clamp right here and then kind of remove this bolt here. There's these two bolts here. Hopefully you guys can see my hand. And then the only one left is the one that goes onto the turbo clamp. And then that's pretty much it, honestly. So this should honestly be super easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and kind of do like a little time-lapse B-roll. So hope you guys enjoy. Clamp off. Now we'll go ahead and just pull everything off, and that'll be it. Just like that, everything's on, so we'll go ahead and put this back in the car. Now let's go ahead and hear our first cold start. Alright guys, so we got the downpipe installed, and this thing is absolutely loud. Like, it's loud. But we just got our Ecutech, so we are gonna go get tuned by Chris Borgs' tuner. And like I said, it's just gonna be for now, you know, until I'm ready to go with STI Mikey. And yeah, I'm very excited. We're actually gonna be cruising up with them, so I'm gonna include this video on the downpipe install and give you guys a little bit of a vlog, install / vlog and cruise. So yeah, it should be fun. It should be a lot of cars. And last meet I went, or I think it was Chris Borgs' birthday last time I went, and yeah, it was popping. There was a lot of cars, so should be a lot. Hopefully, fingers crossed, no one gets pulled over, no one gets state rep, because I know San Diego's police is strict over there. So yeah, we're gonna make our way. There's a lot of traffic, so yeah. I'll do a couple of sound clips of the J-pipe. Sorry, not J-pipe, downpipe. I'm so used to the Subi. I'll show you guys sports mode. I know you guys can hear it. My 60 to 130 is about to go crazy.
Outside.
But yeah, once we get closer, I'll do some B-rolls and stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you guys there. For 15 minutes, and look how packed they got. And we got Chris Borks over there. So I'm honestly super excited. Probably make around 500 wheel. And yeah, after that we'll go big turbo, upgraded trans, and maybe push 900. We'll see where this goes, and yeah, but today should be a good day and get some good content. Well, we got problems, and we're mid-tune right now.
And then with the phone flash, when you need a map, I'll just send it to you directly.
Okay.
So any updates, that'll make it a lot easier too.
Alright guys, so unfortunately we weren't able to tune the Supra. I guess the ECU is locked because what Flores was telling me is that so once you basically put it back to stock, the ECU locks again. So I'm gonna send it out to him and get it unlocked. So unfortunately we didn't tune it today, but we'll still get some content, get some rollers everybody, and you know, enjoy today. And it is what it is. The Supra's still fast, so yeah, it is what it is, but yeah, let's enjoy today.